So in this video, we're doing something a little fun. We're just going to be creating a comical Instagram or Facebook story post, something fun to promote you, your business, your service, or just to do for fun. Maybe you want to add on the weekend, just something a little bit more comical into your stories, that kind of thing. It just gets you using different keywords as well, because we don't normally create comical stuff in Canva. So here's my dashboard. I'm going to go to create a design and I'm going to choose the Instagram story size. Okay, so I'm going to go for I quite like the saying I'm a fun guy with mushrooms, so I'm going to go for something a little crazy. Let's increase it so you can see it better. And over in the elements section, I'm going to type in funny mushroom. Oh, we have these guys come up. These are cool. These are funny. I like these. So I'm going to pop him down there. And I like this one as well. I'm going to use him. We can add a background to this. These are good because they're nice, bold, clean line elements. They do have that comical look to them. So try typing in funny something. So if you're looking for something comical, just try the word funny in the elements section. I'm going to give it a background. I could add anything into the background. Pattern is always good. There's lots of different options, different patterns. I quite like this one, sort of in keeping with the colour of my guys here. And I'm going to add some text. So I've added my text box. Okay, let's make it nice and big. I'm a fun guy. Always makes me chuckle. I want to change the text. So I'm going to go here and I want something a little bit fun. So if you click on this box, underneath you get these come up. Click the arrow until you get to one that says fun. These are just slightly more comical, bolder, rounded type fonts that you can use on the more like comical, fun posts. Just something that's bright and bold. Maybe even a child-based business. These would be fantastic for. Some really fun ones here. Okay, so we are going to have a look. What shall we go for? Lots of different fun fonts. That's quite a cool one. Okay, yeah, I think we'll go with that one for now. And I want to add these into a speech bubble. I want a speech bubble for my guy here. So I'm going to go back to elements and I'm going to put in speech. And then you get these come up. That one looks great. Adding it over my text. I'm going to change the colour. I'm going to go for a green to match the background and my guys. And I've just popped it behind my text, which I'm going to make white. I always like white text on a coloured background. If you have a coloured background, try a white text. I'm just going to lock my background so I can drag my cursor over these and duplicate them. Okay, because I want my little guy down here to also have a little speech bubble. And I'm going to flip it so it's pointing at him. And then my text, oh, let's have him saying, me too. There we go. I'm going to drag them up a little bit so there's space between them. So we're not crushing everything together. And there we have just a fun, quick Instagram story that's just going to get people chuckling. I'm a fun guy, me too. Couple of comical mushrooms chatting to each other. So I could now download this as an Instagram story. as a PNG file, sorry, and upload it to my Instagram, or you can schedule and download to Instagram now, which is fantastic. So you can just post it straight into your Instagram stories in your account. So that's it really, guys. Just a fun, quick way of creating something comical using keywords like speech, funny, that kind of thing, just to find the different elements available in Canva.